Entering borrow lights, sidelights, and transoms at Edge have never been easier. Simply go to the part number field of your Edge order form, and we will provide you with 2 codes that cover these types of units: FRDW, BLITE, and FR units. The first part, FRDW, BLITE, stands for Frame Drywall Bar Light Unit. It is only used when you have a drywall bar light that is 4 pieces. Simply select FRDW BLITE from the part number drop-down menu. Choose the drywall series you are needing and finish filling out your order form. Since this is a borrowed light unit, no handing or hardware preps are required. If needed, you can attach an elevation of your frame through the Upload File button. Just be sure to indicate the drawing number in the sketch number column on the line. The second part, FR units, stands for Frame Units. This code is reserved for anything else that is not a 4-piece drywalled bar light unit. So if you have a drywall transom, masonry sidelight, or a drywall bar light with a mullion, for example, it will be FR units. Just like the frame drywall bar lights, you will select FR units from the part number drop-down menu and finish filling out the order form. You will need to be sure to attach your elevation for the unit and enter the drawing number in the sketch number field on the line. One thing to note regarding FR units: if you are entering a drywall bar light with a mullion, you will be required to enter a strike prep. In this case, you can select the P code for plain strike jamb under the strike column. Ceco Edge is proud to offer easy ways to help you enter complex frame units so you can move through your orders faster. Check out our other Edge videos to help you get the most out of this online ordering tool.